Sanjay Thakker, who is the chairman, is now with us. Thanks so much for taking time out. Just walk us through, the numbers that you've witnessed in the month of June. Has there been a trend of subdued demand, and are you going to see this reverse or subdued revenue growth slowing down rather? And will this reverse by when?
Yeah, good morning. Thanks for having me. No, we believe that this is a one-off kind of an event where the supplies for the OEs that we represent was something that was a challenge. Maybe let me elaborate some more out of it. We know that the Honda, the new SUV Elevate, which is showing great traction, the supplies of which will start in the second quarter. Mercedes-Benz also, we know that the SUV demand continues to be significantly buoyant. The supplies again are likely to be better off as this quarter starts. In our case, MG, the new entrant in our stable, we are going to be starting seeing the numbers taking in from this month onwards. What I see on ground is that the demand is pretty good. The supplies wherever is possible, we will see growth in the market.
Just to infer this point, you are confirming to us is that there is no slowdown in the luxury car market.
Nikunj, I'm broadly saying that the demand is holding up. It's not as buoyant. I'm talking about the overall market, as buoyant as I'd seen it last year. But then we are at a base which is very high, and to sustain and to grow from here is also something which is good. And my sense is that, as most industry guys are saying, that the demand will be it will be a single-digit growth for the industry. The luxury car demand will be far in excess of what you see in the overall industry. It's still a supply issue, and we will see good growth this year.
There have been a lot of new launches, some of the names which you referred to. Now, while the new launches are exciting, the same supply constraint could continue there as well. So you may book a lot of cars, but if the supply does not match up, what happens to the coming quarter then?
Yeah, so that is something that we will have to be mindful of. It's difficult to kind of predict the supply situation quarter on quarter. We are looking at it like a secular thing, and it's very difficult to predict quarter on quarter as to what will happen, what kind of supply and demand, and will match face to face, like to like, I mean. So this is something which we will have to be mindful of. But my sense is that India is in a zone where the car ownership will only increase, the luxury penetration will only increase, and it's over a period of time that we will see the results. And also keep in mind the seasonality which is there. We will have the better Diwali Dussehra season coming up. But India is in a zone where things will happen for a very pretty long time. That's the belief we have.
Someone who's a potential luxury car buyer, what you're saying is actually bad news, which means that there will be no discounts, no schemes before Diwali Dussehra?
As far as Mercedes-Benz is concerned, which we represent, we have a all India one price. There is no discount except for what is mentioned on the sticker price or on the website. And I mean, I see some other brands discounting it, but Nikunj, also keep in mind that all the OEs, and I'm not referring to any particular, had increased the prices because of the raw material prices going up last year. And the material prices have, I believe, gone down after that. They have a big buffer basically to play with. So if they kind of, rather than reducing prices, give customer offers, I think that will be well received by the customers, and it will be a win-win for all.
Okay. Thanks so much then for taking time out, clarifying for us that this is a one-off, that business is back to usual and you are going to see a pickup down the line.